Before the break, Rajeev was talking about the data has to be there. And certainly, know your data is a mantra for all of us in innovation and digital transformation. Can you speak to the role of data readiness in successfully deploying AI in manufacturing?
I think the three things about knowing your data is, I think the first one is data architecture, right? I mean, so we talked about the ontology, Rajiv touched upon it. So what exactly is this data architecture? It having a good data architecture saves you tons of rework down the line. Let me explain, right? So you have what the data architecture is you have all your key entities like machines, products, sensor readings, and then you have relationships between them. That is, this machine produced that product, and the sensor reading at that time was this. Having this data and this relationship, or having a model of it, how where you would put all your data would save you tons of time downstream. So the first thing is to have a unified data model. Information from your supply chain, information from your production lines, information about your commerce systems, all needs to be in this single unified data model we're calling the ontology. But you need to have the data model, and as Rajiv was saying, we don't need to all populate it at the same time. That can wait, and you can do it while realizing ROI. The next big thing about the data is real-time processing, right? That big beautiful data model doesn't mean anything unless you can have your insights in time. If you're getting it, like Rajiv said, by email a week later, the damage is already done, right? So manufacturers need to start thinking about real-time data processing pipelines rather than batch processing, right? You can actually use your data modeling for predictive maintenance, supply chain optimization, demand forecasting, dynamic pricing, you name it. It's all about agility, I think, Kevin. The last one I would say that Rajiv kind of touched upon is data governance, right? When you think about data governance, you're thinking regulatory compliance, privacy, things like that. Those are very important. But what I'm talking about is having policies across your plants to say, when you get a shipment, it needs to be tagged with the batch number, with the supplier, so that we have that information when we go to process. So if there's a defect downstream, we can tie it down to a specific batch that was received and track everything else. That's the kind of policies I'm talking about. Also, when you have your maintenance records for it, they have to be all in the same format. They have to have a good quality, good level of depth. So I think these three, I think, will help you get much greater value out
Mhm.
of your data. A good architecture, real time processing, and some good data governance.